All right, I'm in Raleigh and I'm going to look at the Signature O'Barry by Legacy Custom Homes. It's a bronze winner and it is a 4-floor townhouse that's supposed to have a rooftop access area. So this should be exciting. Come in through the garage and this is the front door. Okay, so you come in through this hall. Oh, utility closet. Garage door. And then, oh, elevator access. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So it's a 4-floor townhouse, but you can have an elevator. That's awesome. If you have groceries. Another closet. This nice space to put coats and things. And then, oh, this must be a bedroom. And the closet space. Pretty good closet space too. Like 2 double doors of closets. Yeah, that's pretty good closet space. And then it looks like it has an ensuite. The shower, full bath. All right. So you got elevator, garage, front door access, and then I love these lights by the stairs. All right. Powder room. And then, okay. I think this is a bedroom set up like an office. Nice closets. Some good office space. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Oh, this is the pantry. Hi. This is nice. Oh, wow. The main living space. Okay, this is a nice space. Counter. Oh, this is such a nice, like a little bench.
Yeah, I know. It's one of my favorite parts.
This is such a great idea. Just sit here and look out your window.
Have your coffee.
I love that. Oh, man. Oh, and this is the elevator. So cool. Lots of storage. It's a gas fireplace?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Built-ins. Oh. See a little yard area. Outdoor access. This is a nice space. Upstairs. Alright, and this is the 3rd floor. The 3rd floor, we've got laundry room. Lots of storage in the laundry room, which is great. And I love that they have them on the same floor as, I guess this is the floor with all the bedrooms, except for the one at the bottom, on the 1st floor. Look at that. Got a walk-in closet. Lots of space. I really like the layout of the main living area. I think it's like really nice. Flows really well, really open. Pretty like defined use of each section of the space, which I think is super important when you're designing an open concept, like combined kitchen, dining, living room. Okay, we got not a dual vanity, but separate sinks. So you and your partner's stuff can be separated. You have your own defined storage area. And we got a shower. Looks like the shower had an attachment that's like detachable. This is nice. I would put a tub. I wonder if there's an option to get a tub. I say this every year. I always want more tubs in these. You got your window. Get your neighbor. What are you doing, neighbor? This is nice. And this is the elevator. Please don't open. Interior cabinet available to view on main living level. So, got your elevator on every floor. I think the elevator is probably what puts this over the edge. So the part we are in Raleigh is like pretty close to NC State, I would say. It's like a lot of Raleigh, like unless you're going out into the farther edges of Wake County. It's why those places are expanding. It's like getting very expensive, a very competitive market. So a townhouse like this, I think, is a great idea to have some denser multifamily housing, but like it's 4 floors, and I think that might be a little bit of a drawback for some people to have 4 floors, but then they put an elevator. So now it completely eliminates that obstacle. I've got 2 floors in my house, and I often wish I had an elevator. All right, so we got another bedroom. This one's pretty identical to the other one. Closet space, not bad for the primary bed or the secondary bedrooms. Okay, so we have 1 bedroom on the first floor with an ensuite, and we've got primary bedroom for the owner there, and we've got these 2 secondary bedrooms. So it's 4 bedrooms total. That's really good. And then I came in here already. All right, so there are no tubs. There's not 1 bathtub in this house. Interesting. I wonder if that's like an option that you can request. Or would you have to just do the remodel yourself if you wanted a tub? Okay. Ooh. So we got another utility situation. Once again, our elevator. And this, I said the elevator put it over the top, but it probably was also this that put it over the top. Look at that. This is a great outdoor space. I love how they've staged it. Very fall. This is beautiful. Oh, this is so nice. So you could just like sit up here and enjoy, and you've got these wood partitions to kind of block you off from your neighbors. This is bigger than my deck. I think outdoor space is so important. So I love that they have this touch. This and the elevator. I see why this won a bronze award. I would give it more. I don't know what the rest of the competition is, but it definitely deserves it. This is nice. So you've got your mini fridge, you've got your sink, you've got your whole wet bar set up. So this is really, really well appointed for like hosting a nice party. You can make some drinks, have a barbecue grill here, everything going. This is awesome. I mean, I'm so impressed. I'm really impressed by this house, by this townhouse. I'm a big believer in like denser urban design and multifamily living and all that jazz, right? And it's like we gotta stop this affordability crisis, this housing crisis, and so townhouses are a great solution to that. And like people are kind of sometimes iffy about it for, you know, it's not enough space or it's got this and that, and it's like this is really good. And it's exactly in the sort of location you would want to build something like this, which is like kind of interior Raleigh, where there isn't a lot of space left and it's very expensive. And so it just makes a lot of sense to build a townhouse complex here. And you can have that and still have like a great outdoor space and a really, like, and lots of storage, enough space for a family. This is amazing. This is really an amazing space. So highly, 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 highly recommend. This is probably one of my favorites so far this year. Oh, I already opened the door. All right, and that's it.